Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Punnuri. In today's video, we are going to make a beautiful decor using cardboard containers, which you can use as festive decor as well. So, shall we see the materials required first? These are the containers which we are going to use today. First, you have to remove the printed paper on the cardboard. Sometimes the paper doesn't come out easily, so have little patience and try to remove the paper as much as possible. After removing the paper, make a marking on the container, either rectangle or square. Now cut along the marking and remove the cardboard piece. Smoothen the edges if there is any unevenness. Give 2 coats of painting using acrylic color. After the paint dries up, we will make some designs using 3D outliner. Long back I bought this book of Mehndi designs, and now I thought this is the best option of using these designs on the container. Or you can even download any designs from internet of your choice. Leave some space around the rectangle while making the design, as we are going to stick kundan stones there. Here I am using only 2 colors of 3D liners, that is Fevicryl, metallic gold and white. You can make either continuous design or a cluster of different designs. Here I am just copying the designs whatever I am able to draw. Don't even have to fill the design on entire container. Now stick the kundan stones along the rectangle shape. Sticking the stones is just to emphasize the rectangle shape, so you can just stick 1 or 2 lines of small stones, that's enough. So this is how it looks after sticking the stones. When you place a tea light inside, the light is visible through the rectangle window. Cover the rectangle by sticking a smoke finished plastic sheet from inside. This is the plastic sheet which I am talking about, and it is very easily available in any stationery shop. Paint the bottom part using black acrylic color, as we are going to place the container upside down. Also, sticking the smoky plastic sheet makes the light disperse evenly. Even when the light is not there inside, to make the container look good, either you paint the container using black acrylic color or stick a black paper inside. Final step is to give 2 coats of varnish to seal the paint. For displaying the containers, we will add some painted terracotta pots. First, smoothen the surface of the pot well using a sandpaper. Wipe it nicely before giving 2 coats of acrylic color. After the paint dries up, apply varnish and let it dry. To match with the container, stick the same stones on the pot and in the same pattern also. So this is how it looks after sticking the stones. You can display these containers in many ways, either with lights inside or without the lights inside. But they equally look good with or without lights. Also, you can place some plants to double the beauty of the decor. This is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos. Kindly leave your suggestions in the comment section below, and a humble request to share my creations with your family and friends. So see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you.